Somewhere deep in South America lies a world untouched, unbroken, and untamed. A world where every breath beats with life, where the sun struggles to reach the ground through a million emerald leaves. This is the Amazon rainforest. The last untamed world. The Amazon is not just a forest, it is the Earth's beating heart. Covering over 5.5 million square kilometers, it is so vast that India could vanish within it. Here, the sky itself turns into rivers, with rain falling endlessly, breathing life into streams that flow like the very veins of our planet. But what truly defines this world is life itself. Over 3 million species call this jungle home. From the tiniest ants that build empires in the soil, to the jaguar, a shadow of power, moving like a ghost between the trees. Here, every sound tells a story. Every wing beat paints the sky with color. And yet, the forest is not only for animals. More than 400 tribes live here, guardians of the green. For them, the Amazon is not just shelter, it is sacred. The rivers are fathers, the trees are mothers, and the jungle itself is their soul. Their myths, their chants, their stories echo as deep as the forest's roots. But the Amazon is also a mystery, a living book with pages we have barely opened. In its depths may lie cures to deadly diseases, secrets of survival hidden in unknown plants, and creatures that science has never seen. The deeper you go, the more untamed it becomes. And this was only the first step into the last untamed world. Deeper within, the jungle hides wonders more breathtaking and dangers more mysterious than we can imagine. Join us in the next episode as we journey further into the heart of the Amazon. Tell us, what amazed you the most in today's adventure? Share your thoughts below, and don't forget to subscribe, because this is just the beginning.